Right outside the bustling gates of Universal Studios Singapore, something rare and beautiful unfolds. A hummingbird, oblivious to the crowds, finds nectar. Amid the dazzling energy of Universal Studios Singapore, a quieter miracle was unfolding. In the garden just outside the Grand Globe, a lone hummingbird hovers in rhythm, sipping nectar from yellow blooms, its wings a blur of nature's poetry. For a few fleeting seconds, the chaos of the world melted away. No theme park rides. No city noise. Just this delicate creature and a flower it couldn't resist. Native to the tropics, hummingbirds are nature's tiny acrobats. Their wings beat up to 80 times a second, and yet, here it floated so effortlessly, as if time slowed for it. Passers-by walked past without noticing. But in that stillness, this hummingbird reminded us, sometimes the most beautiful experiences aren't on the ticketed rides, but in the small, quiet corners of life. Let's take a breath with it. Just watch, and wonder.